Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a fuel pump in an Infiniti G35. This repair can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's a manageable task. We'll cover everything from initial safety steps and gathering your tools to the precise removal and installation of the new pump. By the end, you'll have the confidence to tackle this important maintenance job yourself, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly. Before starting, always prioritize safety. First, disconnect the negative battery cable using a 10mm socket to prevent electrical issues. Next, open your gas cap to release any built-up fuel pressure, which is a crucial safety step. Now, move to the interior. The fuel pump is conveniently located under the rear seat. Simply pull up on the seat cushion tabs and push the seatbelts through to remove it, revealing the access panel on the passenger side. With the access panel removed, you'll see the fuel pump assembly. Disconnect the electrical connector and carefully detach the fuel lines. Expect a small amount of fuel to leak, so have rags ready. Next, remove the 6 to 8 retaining bolts, typically 8mm, that secure the pump. Gently lift out the old assembly, noting its orientation. Transfer any necessary components, like the fuel strainer, to your new pump. Then carefully lower the new assembly into place, ensuring the fuel level sensor is not bent. Once the new pump is seated, reconnect the fuel lines and electrical connector, ensuring they click firmly into place. Replace the access panel and reinstall your rear seat cushion. Now, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before starting the engine, turn the ignition to the on position for a few seconds, then off, repeating this 3 or 4 times to prime the fuel system. Finally, start your Infiniti G35 and carefully check for any fuel leaks around the new pump assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.